it's Molly. I was actually inspired by Canella Sirocco for this pour. So I had some of these long canvases, and she's been doing a lot of Dutch pours on kind of the longer skinny canvases. So I had some leftover paints, and they're not what I normally use. They're almost like spring colors, like pastels, like pinks and yellows and like a sky blue. I don't even remember the names of all of them because they're from my leftover cups. I'll show you all my leftover cups at the end. But I just wanted to give it a try, and if I like it, I might do a complimentary one on a black canvas and add some iridescent paint. So I don't know, we'll see how it turns out. So I'll go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, it was actually really hard to get the entire canvas in frame. So here is the 16 by 40. I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. I have very thinned out white paint, and I'm actually just using white and acrylic, not my regular house paint mixture. So wanted to go back to kind of this for a little bit and see how this white reacts, and because they each have different cell compositions to them, like the different paints that I use. So the different consistency that you use and the different types of paint that you use will give you a different reaction. So I want to get most of it off the canvas. I normally use my blow dryer, but I think this should be fine just to kind of scrape it along for now. And then I'll use my blow dryer to kind of get all the little pieces. I had my blow dryer on high, and I ended up painting some of my work that I had behind me, so that was fun. Not really. But, so yeah, so I know we're in fall, but the leftover paints that I had were spring colors, so that's what you're getting. But I think that they'll go nice together. Kind of like a floral pattern. So I don't know, we'll see. Get a little bit more up here. Or a lot more. I tell you guys, what is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? Well, if anything, you can laugh at me. Okay, and then I'll just blow it out from there. Get my sides. Nothing really on them right now. Let me blow this out. Not really too much to blow out at this point. I actually spread the paint out pretty well. So let me get the sides real quick. Because you want the, oh, I've got it all over my hand. Okay. My dad is was a painter. He's retired now. He painted homes for a living, and he would always get so mad at me when I would go help him when I was a child, because I would always get the handle in the paint, and he liked it to be clean. And he would always get so mad at me. Sorry, Dad. Okay, almost done. This is why I normally do this part off camera, but you guys asked me, well, how did you put the base on there? So I think I'll do squiggly lines today, kind of like Canella did them. Okay, now let me rub along here. I did a larger piece, 3 foot by 4 foot piece, and man, did I get it everywhere. So I'm slipping and sliding right now. These canvases lately aren't being made as well as they normally are. The edges are cut off. Okay. Got just a couple air bubbles. Oh, nope, that's actually a piece of something. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, whatever's gonna be my base color is going to be like the first color that goes down is normally going to be kind of my fanned out color. So I think I'll do kind of this, I think this was a color I made a little while ago with phthalo green and some aqua and white. So I don't want too much color. Just want thin little, because I don't want it to take over the whole pour. I want it to be kind of negative space. Let me see. I think I'll do maybe my yellow next to those, because those will make a green, and then I have my lime green. Do pink next. Don't normally use pink in my pours, but trying new things, huh? So already that yellow and that blue is making that green color, so I'm not gonna put a lot of this green in there at all. Just a little drip, and that should be fine. But I do want that color to predominate, that aqua color. And of course, I've got gold. Some more of that yellow and that blue. I'm gonna have a green painting here. I know I'm gonna have a green painting. Let me put some more pink in there. Now I'm gonna have an orange painting. That yellow seems to take over. I don't know why. Finish it off with some more gold. Okay, that's enough paint. That already is gonna, I know it's gonna spread out a lot. So let me just pour my white. Not too much. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of those square canvases. But I really like, you know, it's a statement piece to have like the long canvas. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go from the middle out that way. Should have done more of the middle this way first. Oh, there's pretty colors. Ooh, that muddied right there. Don't pass over it too many times. I went ahead and carried it over the side because wow, I really like this. I like the cells that this one creates versus my, not versus because I like them both, but I like the small little cells that pop up from having just a regular paint mixture. I think it's very pretty. So my other cells with the house paint are like these big organic looking cells, like pearlized cells almost. But I like this a lot, actually. Very spring. And I'm glad that I kind of went off a couple places, made it look kind of sporadic. I love this. I'll take you guys down. I really like it. So that means I will be doing my black base one. Oh yeah. I hope this dries just like it is. Let me take you down. Okay, I hope you guys can see the, oh, I've got my autofocus on, whoops. Look at how beautiful that is. And the colors are, I'm sticking to the floor, can you hear me? Oh, geez. Yep. I would have never used these colors together, but it reminds me of like a bouquet of like springtime flowers, no? I like the little wispy blue part there. There's my cells. Where's some other cells? Yeah, I think I'm gonna add the iridescent medium and do this on the black canvas. So, stay tuned. All right, thank you guys for watching. Happy painting. Bye. So this is my messy behind counter right here. Those are all my different pouring mediums that I've got. But what I do with these little cups is, so these are from my classes, some of my leftover pours. I use the paint up and then I let these dry and then I peel them out and then I can use the cups again. But it's been a while. I'm cleaning out today, so I cannot believe how many. I just had a class last night, so some of the cups are from them. But holy moly, I gotta let all these dry. But look at all the different colors. It's amazing. I love it. All right, just wanted to show you guys you can save all your paints and then reuse your cups after they dry out. So, all right, see you later. Happy painting. Bye.